We have a poem. Grade 1 wants to present a poem. Is it true? Do you have a poem? The title of the poem is title. The title of the poem is Time to Shine. The title is
Time to shine.
Everyone.
Time to
I
shine.
said you should not shout. You said audible, but you should not shout. The title of the poem is
Time to shine.
Time to Shine. Chantel, begin.
In front of you is place. One.
Uh-huh.
Poem. Time to shine.
Everyone.
Entitled Time to shine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. All together, we are little stars,
So bright, shining with our hearts, so light.
We can read and write. 1, 2, 3. We can count and get it right. Now we are moving on today.
Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip.
Hooray!